Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to be making goat meat. Peppered goat meat. Some of you that knows goat meat, you know what I'm talking about. So I will go ahead. Now I'm going to be washing the meat properly. So the meat is a bit washed. I'm going to be washing it with lemon because these meats you don't know where they process them. So you have to really wash them properly. Make sure the meat is clean. Now I'm going to be adding them in the pots. I added pepper and is seasoned. So I'm going to cook it. Now the meat is cooked, well cooked, and I have brought it out from the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and start preparing the sauce that I will use for the meat. And here is the tomatoes, onion, and scotch bonnet pepper with a piece of red bell pepper that I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and blend them. So in a pot, I'm going to fry my meat. I will give it a little bit of fry just to change the texture of the meat. And I just seasoned my oil with chicken bouillon and salt. I'm not going to fry it hard. I'm just going to like a little touch of frying. So the meats are being put in the pots. It's not going to be dry. It's just going to be a little bit fried. You can see that it's not too dry. I just want that a touch of fry on the meat. Now that the meat is fried, I'm going to go ahead to start frying my peppered sauce. There's no need of washing your pots because you still have some flavors in that oil. So what I do, I use that same oil to fry the sauce. Anyway, they are going into the same stomach. Fry your onion till they are a little bit soft. I just added chicken bouillon. Spice your oil. Now I'm beginning to add the sauce. Fry your sauce very well. When it's dry, when it's ready, you will know because you will start seeing a little bit of oil that will start gathering on top of the sauce. So now I'm going to be adding my meat that is already fried, and I have to mix it with the fried peppered sauce. Mix it very well. Allow the salt to go around the fried goat meat. Once your goat meat is well seasoned, as you cook it and seasoned as you are frying it, it's going to have a lot of taste. And with the peppered sauce, that will take it to another level. Take your time to mix it very well and allow all the sauce to touch all the meat. So once you're done, you allow it to sit for some minutes and your goat meat is ready. You can use this on a weekend to relax in the evening of Friday night, Saturday night, even on a Sunday. So thank you all for watching my videos. All my returning subscribers, I say thank you. And for those of you that comes across my video and you have not subscribed, I will appreciate if you do subscribe to my channel. Hit that red button. Is not, you don't have to pay for it. All you need to do is to just touch it and subscribe and on the bell. So thank you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.